Okay, okay. I never know you can even see my screen though. Okay, let me proceed now. Let me proceed. So we are going to make use of this thing I pasted, be able to study. We are going to make use of this. So how to open them account? We are done that. We are done with that. Okay. So we are going to start from this other part. Let me check what I should teach from. Okay. I don't know. Okay. This is now neat. This is neat. So we are going to make use of. So I won't be taking just transaction market today. I'll be using indicator so that you guys can be able to understand the intricacies of this indicator. We are going to make use of the indicator tonight. Let's look at the data market. Let's change to other currency pairs to be able to make sure we get a better market we can trade. Okay. We miss this market. We entered here late. I think we entered late. Let's take another market. We entered this market late because we've gotten to oversold. Okay. Before I could finish this, the market has even sold. So we are going to look for another market. Let's look for another market. This one I have gone out of hand. We are not able to take this market. So there's something I wanted you guys to do that as long as I'm trading, you guys should join me and trade. That if I say we should take a buy trade or a sell trade, you guys will join me and trade on your pocket option. That's what I wanted you guys to do today so that you can be able to know how to take trade. Let me check for another market. Let's take a reversal trade here. Let's take a trend reversal. Let's take a buy. and the market have gone also. Let's look for another place. I'm just looking for a place that the indicator will print and for us to take for us to take a buy market. I'm just looking for a better place that we can be able to get an indicator printing. Ah, this market is really slowing down seriously. Let's leave this one. Let's know if we can take this market. Know if we can take a sell here. This is a major uptrend, so we are not going to go against the trend. We are not. We are not going against the trend. Let's wait for it to print. Let's wait on this place. This indicator will soon print. Let's take a sell. Everybody take a sell trade. Click on the lower part. Another sell trade. Take another sell. The indicator printed. Take another sell. It might reverse, it might not reverse, but I know it will not cross that line because it's in our favor. It's not gotten to any place of rejection yet. So even if it's trying to retrace, it won't cross that line. Look at the place we should be expecting it to reverse. So what do you have to see? This 6 against 6. We've not lost anyone. Can you see it? The indicator is accurate. But not everywhere you have to take a trade because there are places that if the indicator gets to print, maybe support and resistance will come and resist it. But as it stands now, we're taking 6 trades against 6. No losing trade for one for now. Let's check. We missed this opportunity. We missed it. We missed it. Let's check another market. We came late over this one. All right, let's take a buy. This one printed late and only one indicator printed. But let's watch and see what will happen because the three indicators, the three moving averages is pointing higher. This super trend is also pointing higher and with the only one indicator printing. So let's know if it's going in our favor. This is not three indicators. We have three confirmation that once it gets to confirm in three places, then that's a winning trade. But this moving average is supporting this uptrend. So let's now, and we are in a major uptrend. Okay, now this one printed. So this should be a winning trade now. For the fact that the two indicators printed on this second phase, so it should be a winning trade now. Let's watch and see. Let's watch and see. Though it's trying to retrace, it's trying to show a resistance path, but let's know what the market will do. Indicator printed. Okay, this guy, it have gone against us. There are 6 against 1. So we've lost 1 out of 6 trades. Oh, we won it. We won the game. Glory be to God. I thought we've lost it already. Can you see we won it? So how many trades now against? Can you see it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 trades against no losing trade. Okay. Let's check another market. Okay, we might take a retracement trade over here. But this is an uptrend, so we shouldn't go against the trend. Though one or two things might happen and we might take the trade and to go in our favor. But let me take all these indicators to monitor the chart to know what will happen if it's something we are going to ride on. Let me take off these indicators. Okay, now let me use this. Let me use price action trading to trade on this place to know if there's a rejection point. So this is a supply zone. I would have taken this trade if I saw this earlier. So let it come down. I'll take the buy. I'll take this buy. Okay, I've taken the buy because can you see several lines of rejection? One, two, three, four. Then with this supply zone, this is a better supply zone. This is a better supply zone. Okay, I would have even waited for this to finish up here. This is a better supply zone, and these are buyers entry. Though that the sellers are trying to take over, the buyers are trying to take over the market, but this should be a better buyers entry. Let's check this indicator. Had it been the indicator is here, we would have known what to do. Because going against the trade, can you see this indicator printed over here? And would have not have taken this trade against it. But let's watch and see. Can you see it in our favor? We have won the trade already. 7 against 7. Can you see? Because of the indicator and price action trading, it's 7 against 7. This indicator should print. It should, oh, it's not a bigger candlestick. It's not a bigger candlestick. But can you see what I was saying? Indicator printed over here. That's for this candlestick. Had it been we took it, it would have been just returning back the same amount because it finished on the same place. But we were able to rationalize that this is a strong buyer's entry. Can you see the supply zone? This is a buyer's entry from here. Can you see the new supply zone? Yeah, this is a better supply zone over here. I've missed this trade. I would have taken this, though I'm not that sure if it does. There's a seller center over here, so I don't know what the market is going to do. But at least we got this one with these lines of rejection. We took the trade over here and later returned back. So yeah, I told you this not every trade you are going to take, because if you watch over here, here cannot enter two candlesticks, and this is seller center. Let me show you. This is just like a support, a resistance for the buyers, and it's also a support for the sellers. So let me demonstrate it. Okay, can you see what I said? The sellers have entered. That's why I did not take this trade. Unless I was trading 30 minutes candlestick, that's when I would have taken this trade when it printed. But I know that this is a seller's entry. That's why the indicator printed in response to the moving averages. But as you can see now, that the sellers entered here, and this is a retracement. So let's watch and see to know what will happen if we take the trade against this trend, or if the trend is going to push up. Okay, let's wait for the market to know what the market is doing. We shouldn't enter everywhere. You have to wait for indicator to print or use price action. So this is a double bottom, but not actually the place is meant to print. So I think that this thing will be, the market should still be pushing up. I said it. Market will be forcing itself up, but this is a seller's entry. So you guys to know how it's going to retrace over here and push up. But if it gets to break out from here, then we ride on the wave. If it gets to break out to this point, that means we are going to follow the wave and ride with it. So let me show you. If the market gets over here, if it gets to break out from here, then we follow it up and wait for here to be able to resist, to put on resistance. Let's wait for the market to know where it's heading to. Then multiply this. Okay, leave it here, multiply it again. Okay, this indicator printed, is it what we are going to take? I'm not sure. Let's leave the market to know. It's not that sure because there is buyer's entry so close. And even if printed over here, that's when we would have taken it. But let's watch and see what the market will do because we are waiting for the market over here to reverse. So let's know what the indicator is saying. I know if you are taking per candlestick, this indicator is very, very accurate per candlestick. But since we are taking for two candlesticks, that's 1 minute. We shouldn't be taking everything. Can you see this trying to reverse? Because this is a buyer's entry. You can see that buyers entered from this point, and that was the place we took the reversal trade. Can you see? Buyers have entered. So not everything you have to take. You have to use price action, combine price action, and also combine other factors, other strategies for you to be able to have an 80% accurate winning. Okay, let's wait for it. Wait for it to know what the market will do. Whether these sellers will break up this point. Let's relax and wait for them. Buyers are trying to push up. The bulls are trying to push up. Let's wait. Let me add other factors. Since we are going with the indicator, let me add the second one, add this other one to make sure we don't miss the market. So now, let's see what is happening over here. These are three indicators that are printed in one place. So, okay, okay. I said it that this is going to break out. They are going to break out of this market. I'm very, very sure of that. That's why I was not able to take any trade. Now let's wait for it over here to know if this is a supply zone or a demand zone. So buyers enter there, buyers enter there, and buyers enter there. Okay, let's watch and see if it will go in our favor. To know if we are going to take a retracement or be able to ride with the wave. Can you see? It's trying to break out. Buyers have entered, but I don't always trust it. If I'm trading a candlestick, I will take this trade because of this. Because market reacted from here, one, two, three. So basically, if you are still following this trend pattern, it should also reverse, and that's why it reacted from here. But with this type of market structure, this thing might start, the wave might start going down, down and down. After this, it must try to go down more, a bit more higher. Can you see? All these indicators are pointing down. So it will be a difficult thing for this to reverse. That's why I don't want to take a trade over here. Because you have to combine some factors before you can be able to make sure that you have a good winning rate. So okay, after this now we are going to take a buying trade. The market is not strong. We are going to take a buying trade. I can see something that they are not that strong. Let's wait and see. Okay, okay, confirm, confirm. Can you see? You have to wait for the market and follow what the market is doing. Can you see where this thing got to? And this indicator printed? But okay, this 30 seconds candlestick, it will also react. It will react over here. I said it. This indicator pointed up. So this is a good trade, but I didn't take it. I've taken it already. That's why I didn't enter here. Because I'm not trading candlestick. I'm trading by two candlesticks in one. So let's watch and see. The indicator pointed three, and this moving average is also pointing up. This is a confirmation trade that you don't lose. You see this trade, you don't lose it. And this is also pointing up. I would have taken this trade. I would have taken this trade, but I did not enter early. I would have taken this trade over here because these indicators are pointing up all. And with this price action marketing, with this indicator, can you see the indicator? It pointed up and everything is also, can you see? Can you see? We've missed this trade, though we won under one. Can you see our second winning trade? How many now? Let's count. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. I want to complete it 10 to know what our winning rate will be. I want to take 10 trades tonight so that we'll be able to know, okay, look at how many trades we won, look at how many trades we took. Then we should start practicing because in as much as this YouTube disturbed us today, but by tomorrow, I want, in as much as I'm trading, I want each and every of you to be able to trade with your phone. That if I take a buy, you guys will join me and take a buy. That's where I want this to be going. I can see something here, but I don't trade this 30 seconds. So that's why I just have to relax. I only take a confirmation trade. I would have taken a straight trade here because I see the rejection. Can you see one line of rejection? See second one, see third one, see fourth one. Let me use this line to show you. So this is a seller's entry. From here, over here, see he broke out of this place. And this is a round number. Okay. This is not a short seller buyer seller's entry. Let me also come up here to wait for it. Let me wait for this market over here. This is just like our trap. We wait for it here and wait for the indicator to confirm that the place we are waiting for is good. Then once the indicator prints, you have to join it and ride. It's trying to reverse. It's trying to reverse. But let's watch and see if it's a better reversal. Let's watch and see. Let's watch and see. This is a long candlestick. I will not trust this. I won't trust it. Indicator printed, but I don't trust this market. Oh, let me just take one. No, this might be a selling trade. It might be a selling trade, but let's watch and see. I don't trust the trade because of the big candlestick. You don't have to trust it because it's too big. This is Mabuzo candlestick. It just shows them sellers finish entry. But the second one we write, this thing we write down. Let's take this trade. I've taken a set trade here. This we write down. It will write down. Okay. This will be our first losing trade. This will be our first losing trade. That means 9 against 1. This 9 against 1. We have lost one trade. We have lost one trade. These have stretched to the maximum. Let's watch and see if it will reverse. We lost one trade. This indicator printed and I didn't see it too. I've made a mistake. I didn't even saw this. I would have followed this trend. Though it's going to reverse from here. It will not cross this line. It won't cross this line. I'm sure. It won't. It must react from this end. I said it. See, sellers are pushing it down. This one printed again. Ah, okay. Let's wait and see. I said it that these sellers will push this down because of price action. So not every single trade you see you will take because of price action. You have to watch the seller center and the buyer center. This is a riding trade. I would have taken this trade though, but I was afraid of this buyer center over here. Though it's not a strong one. But let's watch and see. That's 9 against 1. Let's watch and see to see other one. I think we took the trade. This is a winning trade. We would have won the trade. But I don't take trades that I'm not too sure of. Let's change our NAM market to just end this class. Let's just change our NAM market to completely 10 to know we are done. This market is not good. Can we follow this? Is it a major uptrend or is it a major downtrend? Can we work with it? Ah, this is a falling market. It's not a ranging market that we can trust. But anyhow, sure, let's watch and see. If this indicator print over here, we follow the trend. But this is a seller entry with big marbles. The market doesn't move with speed and velocity. And this, I will not take this trade, sure, because this resistance turn to support. Indicator printed, but I won't follow the trend because of what? It's close to resistance point. This is resistance turn to support. So basically, I know this thing will reverse. Even the indicator printed, yeah, you don't have to take this trade because of what? Can you see the resistance turn to support? Yeah, has been a resistance for sellers, but it's a support for buyers. So anytime it gets to break off from this support zone, it will now turn to be a resistance. It will now turn to be a support for sellers to enter. So I won't take that trade. Can you see? It ended in red. But this one might still try to cross up to break it out. But for this candlestick, I won't take it because of it's very, very close to resistance point. Okay. Let's wait on this market to know what you are going to do. Just remaining one trade for us to close. And I don't want it to be a losing trade. I want it to be an accurate trade. So that's why I should have wait for this market to know what is happening. Okay, our previous market. And it's now a ranging market over here now. So I don't think you can trust this on it. Let's move to another place. Ah, this rotated. This is a high probability trade. You don't trust on this market too. You don't trust on it because this is a wave that is riding down. But there is something here. There is a zone. There is a zone over here. Though it doesn't have that strength. There is a supply and demand zone on this place. So you might reverse. You might reverse. I said it. There is a zone inside this place. You might reverse. Because this has been a resistance for buyers, but now it's going to turn to be a support for buyers also. Because it has been the resistance, and now that we are able to cross over, returning back here, it should be a support for them. It should support the buyers to go up. I said it. You don't just ride the trade or the zone. You have to watch some certain things. I know you tried. I know the market will resist from here. This is a sure resistance turn to support. And let's watch and see to know if it's a winning trade for us or not. This is our final trade for tonight. That's 10 trades. Ah, that's the winning trade. 11 against 1. So we have to call it a day today. So I think we have to call it a day today. We took 11 trades and we lost only one. Let me screenshot and send to group. Let me go to our where it will be able to be visible. Okay. Okay. This not our demo account. I'll still come over to this place. Okay. So this night, these are our trades. Let me use the other part. That part is more better. What's the time? Okay. Um. Okay.